Hey, I'm your host and welcome to our channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Nintendo Switch error code 2811-6304. The error reads, restart the eShop or contact Nintendo support. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when players try to access the Nintendo eShop. According to our research, the error is likely related to temporary connection issues, outdated console software, or Nintendo service outages. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to power cycle your Nintendo console and then try again. If the error still comes, check if you need to update the Nintendo console software. If an update is available, install it and check for the error again. If the error still persists, disconnect your console from the internet and reconnect it. Then check if the error still comes. If the error still continues, try connecting over a different Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot and check if this helps with the error. If the error still doesn't resolve, go to the Nintendo Service status page and check if the Nintendo services are down. At last, if nothing helps, contact Nintendo support and report the issue. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.